Welcome back to the channel everyone. In today's video we're back with another tutorial, and this time I'll show you how to download, install and set up a new VPN app called Lucky VIP Proxy VPN. This app helps you enjoy a secure and stable internet connection while browsing online, and it's available for free on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below if you have any questions, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Lucky VIP Proxy VPN and tap the search button. You'll see several apps in the results, so make sure to select the correct one by checking its name and icon carefully. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app page. Then tap Install and wait for the download and installation to finish. When the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. But before we continue, remember that on this channel we share helpful apps and tutorials that improve your internet experience and privacy. Now let's open the app. When you reach the home screen of Lucky VIP Proxy VPN, you'll need to adjust a few simple settings before connecting. The first step is to tap on the three-line menu icon at the top of the screen. From the list of options, select Online Update. This will update the app's resources so it runs smoothly and gives you the best performance. After that, go back to the home screen. Next, choose your preferred server. Tap the server box and select a location that works best in your region. If you're not sure which one to choose, you can leave it on Auto Select Server. That way, the app will automatically connect to the fastest available server near you. Next, select your country network name. Tap the network box, and in the search bar, type your country's name. For this example, I'll select Uganda from the list, but you can choose your own country's network. Once you've selected your network, you're ready to start your connection. To do this, simply tap the Start button on the main screen. Wait a few seconds while the app connects. When you see the connected message, it means your connection is now secure and active. And that's it. You've successfully set up Lucky VIP Proxy VPN and connected it for a stable and secure browsing experience. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you in the next video.